fellow artists, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. In today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to retrieve your previous color in Procreate. So let's come up here to the color wheel, and you see that we have the same orange selected in the rectangle as well as the color wheel. The two rectangles that we can see up here represent the new color selected on the left and the previous color on the right. So let's try selecting a new color from the color wheel, and I'll go around to choose this blue here, which has now appeared on the left rectangle. Since our previous color was orange, tapping and holding on the color wheel icon up here will bring back orange, and tapping and holding it again will bring back blue. If you're interested in knowing how to draw a realistic paper cutout effect in Procreate, I'll leave a link up above to show you how I created this air balloon up in the clouds art piece. Thanks for watching, guys! If you'd like to be notified of future Procreate tutorials, you can subscribe to Mad Chen and turn on notifications. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below, because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.